अब जो है हमारी गाड़ी पहुंच चुकी है सकाइदे, जो कि हमारा जापान का तीसरा पोर्ट है। कल यहाँ से निकल जाएंगे, आगे की सेलिंग का अभी कुछ पता नहीं है, देखते हैं क्या होता है। बाकी अभी हम लोग चलते हैं, रेस्ट करते हैं, वॉच हो गई है ख़त्म। और उधर जो है एक ट्रक स्टैंड वाई खड़ी है हमारे लिए इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी। सनसेट के नज़ारे देखने को मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पर बहुत दिनों के बाद। अपनी वॉच भी शाम की नहीं है जो हमें सनसेट मिल पाए। रात को 8 बजे आता हूँ तो तब तक सब कुछ अंधेरा हो जाता है। काफ़ी दिनों के बाद ये सनसेट देखने का नज़ारा मिला है, मज़े लो। आज है डिपार्चर आखिरी पोर्ट जापान से और नज़ारा कुछ पे देखते हैं। So before departure we do all the checks as per departure checklist. So this is our checklist. So we do this, we perform all the tests, and then after all the tests are completed, we are ready for departure. So when pilot comes, we give him the pilot card and then he checks everything and then we depart from this port. So this is the thing. So now I am doing the pre-departure test. Half tests are already done, some checks are left, so I'll just complete those and then we are ready to go. And meeting is still going on in CCR. Some communication is going on for cargo, so I'll just prepare the bridge. Mostly things are ready. I'll just change the settings and let go. So we have just done the pre-departure test. Now I'm just going outside to check the surroundings and check the compasses also. So this is our gyro repeater. So now the heading is 226.5. So the heading should be same on all the compasses. So I'm going on other bridge wing also to check the gyro heading. So from inside also the heading is 226.5. Here also 226.7. Here also 226.7. Now only one gyro is left, so I will go there. I will check that also. Just have to open the locks first. Okay, the weather is a bit sunny. It's very bright now. It's good for navigation, so good. So here also 226.5. Okay, good. So gyros are standby for departure. I'll just rest. I'll check the rest of the things, all the settings and everything for departure. So I'll keep the bridge ready for departure. When pilots come, so we'll depart. So that's it. This is the plan. Then I'll put the GoPro on time lapse. The scenery here is very beautiful. As you can see, mountains are there. City is very close. So we'll see what all things we can capture in time lapse. Let's wait, man. Let's see what comes out to be. Keeps growing up and it's getting out of control. Babe, I can't tell you the truth about it. Currently we are departing from Sakaide, Japan, and we have reached this bridge called, let me read it in my hand, I have written it on my hand, I cannot remember the name, Akashi Kaiko Ohashi Bridge. So when it came into commission, it was one of the longest suspension bridge at that time in world. But currently a bridge called Kanakale Bridge in Turkey holds the same record. But this bridge is still the longest in Japan, but in world it holds the record of second place. So right behind me you can see that bridge. This is a very long bridge of around 4 kilometers and it has 6 lanes. It covers around 4 kilometers and it connects 2 major cities, Kobe and another city there. The name of the city I don't remember exactly, but it was something Ivaho something. If I am not mistaken, I remember this one, but if something is wrong, I'll write the name of the city in the screen. But this looks fantastic. This is amazing. I was reading on Wikipedia, per day 23,000 vehicles are passing from this bridge, and it one side is Kobe and the other side is, I don't remember the name. I'll write it in the screen. But this looks fantastic. I'm waiting for this bridge to pass, and then after that I'll go to sleep after my watch. I'm just waiting for this bridge to pass. I have put GoPro also on bridge for time lapse, and then I am on Monkey Island to record.